doing today? I hope you guys are having a beautiful day. Glory be to God. Today, I can't bring small matter come. Same way we all reason together. The topic of today, now be say, if you don't know somebody, don't judge them, don't stab them to death. Even though you know person, not put waiting not there for a body, put for a body. Today topic na discrimination. How to use mouth to discriminate somebody without the person not know do you anything out of hatred. Make me and you reason out together. And so the matter be. I greet all of you well. Today we're going to talk about discrimination. For example, for instance, I could just see somebody for normal ground, for normal life. I don't know her before. I could just bring a matter for my table, begin to go talk about the person. Use my mouth to discriminate am, to disgwagwa am, to finish am like say I really know this person. In the true sense, maybe na hello na I get for the person o. Maybe na hello, bye bye, hello. I don't know the person that well o, but I'll just bring the matter come table. I go vandalize am. I go talk and say I know am reach house. I know am reach where the mama for even born am. What una call that one, my people? No be lie. Person wey you no know, you no know e history, because you na even dey talk say hello for each other if una say outside. Na be say the person na your friend, or na be say you know the person reach house. Because of the rumor wey you hear around the person, you go just bring the matter come table. You no go even get pity mind for your brother or your sister. You just use your mouth take finish am, take condemn am. Now the matter now I bring come table. So for instance, if you no know person, even if you know somebody, e no good make you use the mouth wey God give you take discriminate am, take vandalize am, take bring am down like say e no worth anything. Why? Because you see am for a social media platform, e dey post picture there every day. Na for himself, no be for you. If you like am, you stop by, you watch e pictures for e Facebook. If you no like, you go pass am. That kind thing na hatred. If wey put picture there, or if wey do video, put am for a Facebook account, or put am for YouTube account, or put am wherever account wey you put am, e dey happy with itself. Now you put am for there. Now your opinion to like am or not to like am. You fit press like for a picture, you fit still watch am finish, you pass. No be the one wey you just use your mouth take condemn am. Wey give no jail. Na everyday night dey put picture for there. But wetin I be our own. If anybody dey put picture for a Facebook status, they do anything they put for a Facebook page, no be anybody concern. Na wetin he just still like, and na wetin dey give her happiness, na she or he dey do. Mama learn how to leave people business for them. If you no fit congratulate the person, or if you no fit follow her happy, or if you no fit comment for the picture, the person no go hold you. You go still fit pass am, still go another person own. Na so e be. Not be the one wey just use our mouth take condemn human being, take discriminate am. Wetin e be and wetin e no be, we go put all of them you go put am for other person body. I just bring this matter come for everybody. Wetin everybody dey do, make everybody dey in corner dey do wetin e dey do. If you fit appreciate am, it's okay. If you no fit still appreciate am, it's still okay. No be the one wey you just carry person matter, just change am. Maybe the person na black before or white before, you just change am to green, like say the person na bad person because of just picture or because of small video wey he do wey he put for a Facebook. You wey you no know am, we just talk say you know am. The matter wey you suppose to talk, and e fine, not fine, you go put all type of wetin no dey body put for a body. Na so e do hair, na so people dey e face, na so front of e head, na so e get mark. How na? Even though even self say na so, na matter or na big deal wey you come be say na the person matter na you come dey talk. My people, more learn how to stay our own lane. Anybody wetin they know how to do best, leave them make they showcase themselves. Na their life. No disturb anybody. Everybody na have dots for this social media platform. More they respect each other's space. More will not they discriminate each other. The one you fit follow happy, follow am happy. The one wey you fit follow am. No be do or die affair, or no be by force. Maybe they happy with each other. The most important thing, don't discriminate anybody, because it dey very bad. Because you dey discriminate that fellow, you dey bring am down, and she no know about it o, he no know about it, but God dey see you. Na so, if you no like person, you no like person. Nobody go force you make you like am, but just discriminate the person to the lowest pit. That one no good for inside, my people. More they love each other, more they jolly. More they support each other from one way or the other. More no they bring each other down. You do your own part, the other person dey your own level, dey your own part, they do it thing. Nobody they spoil each other thing for here. Don't bring me down, and I will not bring you down. Which level I can see now? What I can say, I want to bring you one big now. Why? Now my all finish for me. You way they look me now, way still they bring people down. You all still there your back. People will still they discriminate you, they bring you down. They still there your own front. That's so life they be. So more learn how to support one another. More they support each other. More they support each other. What do we not know about people? More we know they talk am. Even if we know about the person, reach in mama house, reach how you say grow. Not be your authorization, not be your rights to bring the person, wash am, use your mouth to discriminate and vandalize the human being wey God creates. Na atom of jealousy na be that thing, and that thing no man of God fit deliver anybody wey get that jealousy, wey get that spirit of bringing people down with their mouth. No amount of deliverance, the thing don dey inside blood, until you go see person when you wash am down, when you bring am down, na you come know say, oh, this thing na so e dey pain. Wetin dey do to people ever since? You no know say e dey pain like that o. Na so life be. Life na two ways. Discrimination no good. If you fit support the person, you are free to support. If you no fit still support the person, nobody go come owe you say because you no support somebody say na wahala. More will not dey discriminate anybody. The one will see happiness, more follow and rejoice, more follow and jolly. More will not use our mouth to bring people down. Because e dey your body, na so e dey my body. Na so e dey that one body wey dey gossip you, wey dey gossip me. heaviness. Now be all this one. Spirit of jealousy. You just sit down, you just see person, you don't know that person from nowhere. Because you just see him for a platform or for any social media platform. You go just bring him out come. You go vandalize them like say tomorrow not day come. Which is very bad. It doesn't matter, you have to love everybody. And it doesn't really it's not necessary that you have to watch the person. If you don't like the person, it is okay. But don't just use your mouth to bring the human being down. In any level, let me forget about social media. Even in our real world, our real life, you don't know somebody, just say, look at her, look at the smell. Wetin he do you before that the smell? Wetin he follow you buy wey you no pay? Even say he will follow you buy something, I dey owe you debt, I go pay. No be bad thing for you to just discriminate am. Use your mouth take bring am down like say the person no worth anything. My beautiful people, and that one I bring come. But we no dey use our mouth till dey bring people down, because person no dey use until they see blessing from God. Anything wey you dey find from God, you dey pray make God do am for you, and you dey use your mouth wey God give you, wey you suppose to take dey talk better thing, take dey bring people down. Blessing no dey use am till dey reach where anybody dey, because you dey bring your fellow brother or sister down. Discriminate. If you put lipstick, you go let you talk say, this is too put am. If you put hair, wetin you see for life, this kind of hair wey you put so you no just fit am, wetin concern you? Let everybody business catch everybody for an area wey e dey and for a field wey e dey. Now as you know am reach, na so the person dress am reach. But we no dey use our mouth dey condemn people. And that spirit of jealousy, may we pray, may God take am comot for our body, our skin, our body. Small, now e come dey change to big one. When that jealousy don enter body, small, you come change to advanced jealousy, where you know you even know the time you take kill your friend. Now jealousy, now be all those one. Heaviness, now they cause discrimination. When you just bring your fellow human being down, you just use your mouth, discriminate am, condemn am, vandalizing with this mouth wey God give you, make you say dey bless people. Nothing wey the person go do wey go good for your eye. Anything wey you go do, you must condemn am. Those such people, if una get them for friends, una go run, because na so e go still do you. Na so e go use the mouth take vandalize you to nothing. Yes, so my people, now the more wey I just bring come, na be this one. That spirit of jealousy, because na jealous na dey cause that thing. When you just see somebody, you go just dey vandalize am, just dey discriminate am. You no know am before, you ain't never do anything before, no be your friends. You go just use your mouth just take kill and condemn am. When people sit down with you, go dey ask you say, you know the person before? Now you go even dey tell us say, yes, I know am now. I know am for a very long time. Wetin no dey body, you go just put am. Why not near the person may be your friend? Person wey you don't know, you don dey jealous am. What of person wey just come be your friend? That mean if you see poison, you go kill am. Yes na. Person wey you no know, you feel jealous am. What of person wey come be your personal person, wey God go dey favour am for one way? That mean you go kill am na. You go just poison the person. My people, if you no know person, not say you know her. Because he tell you hello, e no mean say na your friend. Because he tell you hola, e no mean say na your personal person. And because the person dey your own level, e no mean say you go use your mouth wey God give you take condemn am. Why would they love each other? Because that spirit wey you take condemn person na jealousy. You just see person for the first time wey you no know for your life before. You just begin talk everything wey you no dey body put for your body. E dey normal. My people wanna check am o. E dey normal. Support who you can support. If you cannot even support the person, it no matter. But that spirit of jealous, anybody wey get am, may really find great deliverance to deliver am comot for your body. Yes, so because that kind of human being, if he jealous your husband, that kind of human being, if he jealous your wife, because on both sides now they no be for only women, now get am. Men just still dey get am. Spirit of heaviness, the heavier people, jealousy. If I ever talk and say na men, I even get am pass sef. The thing go look funny to many people when they watch me now. Yes, so man wey no know you, he go just bring you down. He go talk the one wey dey your body, talk the one wey no dey your body. Say he really know you, vicious, and he no know you, and you never even tell am hello before. You understand? That spirit, God dey use am take dey hidden blessing. No matter amount of all the bro wey you go pray, blessing no dey reach your front, e no go reach your back, e no go even near you, because you dey use your mouth take dey condemn people because of jealousness. You no know them. Their color you go let you talk about. The stick wey dem make put for mouth, you go let you talk about. Makeup wey they do, you go let you talk about. But why that spirit? Now just make I bring come table. If you don't know somebody, so if you talk matter, make you rest. If you don't like am, it's okay. It's your opinion. You not supposed to make you even like everybody. And you not even supposed make everybody be your friend. Know somebody before you go talk about them at all. If you still know am small, you still talk about them small, make you rest. Now I bring come. I love all of you now. Thank you for my subscribers. I love you guys. May God bless you all. Thank you very much. And the little advice when I just bring come. My name still remain Ima from Ima TV show. Love you everyone. Have a good night rest till some other day. Love you all. Bye bye.